Those are not clouds, honey. Well, today was an interesting morning. There was a huge fire in Koreatown. I basically just woke up and gonna make some breakfast, you know, getting ready for the day. And then all of a sudden, I just hear this really loud explosion and it felt like an earthquake. I'm new to California and I know that earthquakes happen, and you know, I thought maybe it was just an earthquake. All of a sudden, just start smelling this awful smell and people are screaming. I can hear my neighbors screaming. Call 911, it's a bomb, it's a fire, it's a bomb. So I went outside, and just right around the corner of my apartment building, there's these two houses that are just in this blazing fire. It's so tragic for, you know, the owners who live there, but what ended up happening, I guess, there was a house that caught on fire and then it spread over to the other house next door. So anyway, I just wanted to film this before I head out for the day today. Gonna hang out with my girl Angelea and we're gonna go shopping for some furniture. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. We're gonna go furniture shopping at these thrift stores.
We're at Casa Victoria.
What is it called?
Casa Victoria.
Casa Victoria. Follow our journey.
Alright. That was hella expensive.
That's not what we were expecting. We're trying to go to more like thrift stores where, like, you know, cat sculptures are not like $175.
Alright, we'll go to the next one.
Alright, this is what we're talking about. Yeah. For that. Is that a walk-in cooler? Yeah, there's no one here. I don't know what to do. We want to check out some stuff, but it's a bomb. I heard the word bomb and I immediately just ran out. I ran for my life out the door, grabbed my shit. I was...
What are the things that you brought when you heard, like, bomb or fire? You know, like, what is...
Oh, what did I bring? I just keep everything in my backpack. I just, like, grab that and run out. Like, I didn't really even think about it.
Right. You know that question, and everyone was like, if there was a fire, what are the top 3 things
yeah.
you would bring?
Man.
You're in, like,
if
legit in that situation.
I know, and